Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is a very well known book published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for I.S.I. Okay, so let's get into the problem. In this problem, we have to find the maximum and minimum value of the function f(x) equals to x square minus x sine x in the closed interval 0 to pi by 2. So the given function is f(x) is equals to x square minus x sine x. Okay. Now the first order derivative is 2x minus sine x minus x cos x. Okay. And we can write this in this way, that is x minus sine x plus x into 1 minus cos x. Okay. Now in the interval 0 to pi by 2, in the interval 0 to pi by 2, x minus sine x is greater than equals to 0 and 1 minus cos x is also greater than equals to 0. Okay. Therefore, we can say that f prime x is greater than equals to 0. And this implies that fx is an increasing function fx is an increasing function of x in the interval of 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, its minimum value will be at 0. Therefore, f of 0 is equals to 0, we already know, and its maximum value will be at pi by 2. Therefore, f of pi by 2, which is pi square by 4 minus pi by 2. Okay. So this is the minimum and maximum value respectively, which is 0 and pi square by 4 minus pi by 2 for this particular function fx. So we have solved the problem, and that's all for today. And we Saras's classes provide different study materials and mock test series for I.S.I entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.sarasclasses.com, and subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notifications first.